Hello, Salesforce users. Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we've got a practical topic to cover, and that is duplicating a report in Salesforce. This can save you time when creating similar reports or making variations of existing ones. If you don't know how to do it, you are in the right place. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, before we duplicate or clone our report, first things first is you gotta go to the web browser of your choice. And once you've done that, go to salesforce.com, create an account. Once you've created an account, log in with your credentials and go here. Go to reports. Okay. Okay, once you've loaded your report, let's say you have already an existing report, click on that. Let's say this one. Because duplicating a report in Salesforce can offer a lot of advantages, making it a valuable feature for users and administrators because it saves time by creating a new report with the same structure and criteria as an existing one, so you don't have to start from scratch. That's one. Also, you can easily modify the duplicated report to adjust their criteria, add or remove fields, and make it specific to your needs without altering the original report. And duplicating reports is useful for maintaining version control. You can keep a copy of report before making changes, ensuring you have a reference to the original data. Duplicated reports can be used for historical comparisons. You can create a new report for different time periods and analyze changes over time. Duplicating reports allow you to segment data and create separate reports for different teams, regions, or departments while preserving the original report. And of course, users can quickly generate variations of a core report to cater to specific needs, streamlining the reporting process. Duplicating reports also, it encourages our users to explore different data perspectives without affecting the original report, promoting data-driven decision making. Okay, so once once we're on that, all we're gonna do is go here to the revenue report and then go to edit. Okay, so save, save as, and that's it. That is the copy. That's how you duplicate a copy or clone a copy of your report. Remember guys, duplicated reports can be used for collaboration, enabling team members to work on their versions of the reports without interfering with the original. In summary, duplicating reports in Salesforce is a practical feature that empowers users to efficiently work with data and tailor reports to specific requirements. It promotes flexibility, accuracy, and ease of reporting within the Salesforce platforms. When you need to create one-time or ad hoc reports, duplicating a similar report can be faster and more efficient than creating a new one from scratch, right? Because it can also serve as backup in case the original report is accidentally modified or deleted. And yeah, it's very handy to data recovery and continuity, right? So, also, users can quickly generate variations of a core report to cater to specific needs, streamlining the reporting process. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And thank you so much for your support. We love having you as part of our Easy Earl community. You can connect with us on social media. The links are in the description below and stay in the loop with our updates. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.